What is the Google Local Map Pack, and why is it important for you to show up in the top 1, 2, and 3 spaces? This is the most common question I'm getting at the moment, especially with this whole new era of AI search. So what I want to do is show you really quickly. On the left, I've got an app we use called Local Dominator. It's really good for map rankings and finding high intent keywords. And then on the right here, we've got just a search on Google for plumber, Austin, Texas. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run this report really quick. I'm not going to make you watch it. For one of the high intent keywords, we're literally just going to do, let's do local plumber. We want 133 pins. We want to make sure that we're getting all of the service area here. Yeah, good. Okay, catch you in a minute. Okay, so that is done. I want to draw your attention over here on the right to the results. Plumber, Austin, Texas. This is what anyone sees when they search for this on Google. So at the top, we've got sponsored results. We can just hide this. I don't care if they've paid $50 to get me to see this. I'm not going to click on it. We want to go down to this item here, and this is called the map pack. So this is your local map pack, which people see when they search. Now, the top 3 businesses we've got here are Reliant Plumbing, Texas, and then Reliant Plumbing. So this plumber here has 4.7 stars, 2.9 thousand reviews, and this is the plumber we've got here on the left. So I want to show you why they are showing up for this service. So first of all, when we open them up, you can see they have 399 photographs. We can do everything from this profile. We can book online, we can get directions, we can give them a call, we can see their website. We don't need to go to the website to do anything we need on this business. Everything we need is here. They've got their brand, they've got the vans, they show work they're doing. Absolutely fantastic. They look incredibly trustworthy. We can see that they've got products posted, really good selection of reviews, they're responding to reviews, and they are posting regular updates. This is what you want to see, and this is why they are turning up in the top 1 spots when I'm searching for plumber, Austin, Texas. Now, what does it mean top 1 spots? And I actually want to do something, and I want to use my little yellow friend down here, and I want to take you to a road here in Austin. Okay, great. It took me a while to find a pin that was right next to the road. So what this means with the map pack, you can see we've got the 1, 2, and 3 here. And then on the ground here, literally next to where I've dropped our little man, is the number 3. This means that if anyone is in this little patch of grass or in these houses here, all these apartment blocks around here, if they're searching for a plumber in Austin, Texas, that means that when they're searching, these results are going to show on their Google Maps. So we're going to see Austin's Greatest Plumbing, Allmac or Almac Plumbing, and Reliant Plumbing Austin. So that is exactly what it means when you see these pin maps and it's all fancy colors, greens, reds, oranges. All it means is, okay, in this location, in this area, if someone's searching for this service, these are the people they're going to see. And bear in mind, in this area, there are currently 85 competitors. So whatever these top 3 are doing, it means that they are better than the 82 other people that are also trying to rank for local plumber in Austin, Texas. So I hope this makes sense and gives you a bit of clarity on what it means to rank in the top 1, 2, and 3 on the local map pack, what the local map pack means, and what these actual green and red and orange pins represent in the real world with our little yellow man. If you want to work out how you're ranking in maps, then absolutely sign up to something like Local Dominator, sign up to some sort of ranking thing and get a heat map pin or whatever else they're trying to sell you, or just go to the link at the bottom of my profile. I'm actually giving away a free 2026 Google Maps ranking and AI audit. You just pop in your business information, click go, and it's going to tell you exactly where you're ranking, what you need to improve on, and what it actually takes to rank in the top 1 and beat your competitors and get all the calls.